Good morning, everyone. I am showing you my screen this morning so that you can access our Canvas course. On Canvas will be posted all your assignments, and then we'll also be able to chat back and forth with each other. So follow these directions so that you can join our class today and log on and respond to my discussion post. Okay, so the first step you need to do is log on to NC Ed Cloud. Remember, it's your student ID and then capital CMSX 2028. Log in. Once you're logged in here, one of the options here will be the Canvas course. It looks like this with the red and says Canvas. Go ahead and click it. Log in with NC Ed Cloud. And then this is going to look different on my screen than it will on your screen. Hopefully on your dashboard, the only thing you will see is our homeroom with this heart here. If not, click on the courses over on the side and click homeroom. Once you click homeroom here, let me click your student view so you can see what it's going to look like. Once you click homeroom, this is what it's going to look like here. Here is the link for our check-in by tomorrow, and then here is the option for the chat. So let me just show you. You're going to click on the check-in here. It's going to give you an introduction. You're going to respond to our discussion post by clicking reply here. Once you're logged into this website, you can also go down to chat. And then you can see that I posted last night, hello. So once you're in, please chat me and say hello. So you're in, and then this is the way that we can talk back and forth. Again, if you need anything, please don't hesitate to respond or reach out to me. Your parents have my cell phone number, so let me know what I can do to help you get logged onto this course.